Keeping your bedroom neat and clean is very important for creating a peaceful and organized lifestyle. When you walk into a tidy room, it instantly makes you feel relaxed, while a messy space can add unnecessary stress. The first and most effective habit is to make your bed every morning. Even this small step gives the entire room a fresh and orderly look. Next, always return your belongings to their proper places. Hang or fold your clothes neatly in the wardrobe, arrange your books on the shelf, and line up your shoes so they are easy to find. Make it a routine to dust the furniture and sweep or vacuum the floor at least a few times a week to prevent dirt from building up. It is also a good idea to open the windows daily, letting in natural light and fresh air, which makes the environment brighter and more pleasant. Try to avoid clutter by only keeping items that you truly need or love, and donate or recycle things you no longer use. You can even keep small storage boxes or baskets to organize tiny items like accessories or stationery. A clean bedroom does not just look nice, it also creates a healthier atmosphere, improves your mood, and helps you sleep more peacefully. Over time, maintaining cleanliness becomes easier when you make it part of your daily routine. In this way, your bedroom turns into a personal retreat, a place where you can rest, recharge, and feel completely comfortable.